Let me show you how I monetized this channel in 32 days by posting only 3 videos. I'm not exaggerating. 3 videos. This channel is a finance channel, but before it became a finance channel, I made it a movie review channel. Why? Because I wanted to get it monetized faster. The reason I chose movie review was because it was trending and it gives subscribers and views and even watch hours faster. I posted my first video on August 15th, 2024, and I reached the monetization threshold on September 16th, 2024. Then I applied for monetization and got accepted into the partner program on September 18, 2024. Now, I have watched other creators, a lot of creators who make videos claiming that they got monetized in 7 days, 21 days, and 30 days, and I was just feeling, is this even possible? Because I have been on YouTube for years and I have struggled when I knew nothing about YouTube. So I have struggled and I've seen that it's very difficult to even get the 1000 watch hours that they even require for monetization. So when I see all these young YouTubers, 17-year-old, making claims that they have gotten monetized in 7 days, I just wonder, is it that YouTube doesn't like Africans, like YouTube doesn't like us or what? Because I know how difficult it is to get monetized as Nigerian, as Africans, and I have been discouraged a lot of times when I began YouTube. I have seen people claiming that YouTube does not like monetizing Africans, especially Nigerians. That is very difficult. I was almost believing that until I gave it a try, and then I discovered that YouTube is not trying to sideline Africans or anything like that. It's just that you don't understand how it works. YouTube is different from other platforms. That was a mistake that we are making. We think YouTube is Facebook or TikTok. YouTube is not Facebook, it's not Instagram, it's not TikTok. They have their own way of operating. How you succeed on TikTok is not how you succeed on YouTube. They are two different platforms. So I began to grow my channel using movie reviews. My first video has about 102,000 views as at the time of making this video, but I'm sure that when I'm editing this video, it must have surpassed that. The first video has 102k views with 2,500 watch hours. The second video has about 180,000 views with 3,200 watch hours. And the third video has 42,000 views with 429 watch hours. Now these videos are videos of about, I think the maximum is 6 minutes. The others are about 2-3 minutes. So altogether, that's a total of about 300,000 views and over 6,000 watch hours. So guys, the secret to reaching the monetization threshold fast is actually making trending videos. I'm not going to lay more emphasis on this because I have spoken about this in my previous videos. The secret to getting more watch hours and more views faster is using trending videos. This is how I got my channel monetized within 32 days. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please do ensure that you like and subscribe, and also comment if you want me to make a video on something that you are confused about on YouTube. You want me to explain something for you, just let me know in the comment section and I'll work on that as quickly as I can.